Alright, so I don't come again. Your baby girl, your mama in the area, she don't land like Land Rover to come give you all the entertainment to what happened for last week. Where I want to start safe. Because everywhere almost born me join on top entertainment Tori. Different angle, different story. But no worry, I dare here to bring you all the gist them. Everything you need to do now, just go calm down, find one better cold water to share your body. Now still your sister, your area mommy, now in balance car. They say welcome to entertainment gist. Make us start with the one wey happen for South Africa. Yes, Nigeria and South Africa, they always, as you know now, they hold yourself for neck anywhere where they see each other. Well, this time South Africa now first start the trouble, then first look Nigeria finish, come begin to order our boats them. Our boat driver then go drive reach the place, they no go see anybody. Then Nigeria look the matter, come blow whistle. Everybody wake up. We not see wetin dey happen. South Africa people won't use us, they play. Oh, now Nigerian boys then wear their short knicker. The girls then tie their polo tight. Now they enter South Africa. Then say begin order. Nigerians no stop there. Oh. They no even order boat alone. As them vest rich, they begin order things for restaurant. All the food where they need, they go order them. Then go reach the place. They go one serve them. They no see the person we order. They go buy electronics. They go reach the place. They no go see person we buy them. Man, Nigeria put South Africa inside pot, begin cook them like nama meat. Cook them so that South Africa raise hand, say Nigeria na win. We will not fit fight una for this one. Then no tell us before we start. Well, I beg una, make una stop. Nigerians gonna say, well, when we done ready, we go let una know. The next day we go again. To be so, we still dey beg Nigerians say, I beg. Make una no use una hand, we mud them. Not being when Nigeria they drag South Africa for trouser, say we was wounded now today. Now somebody wrong can say, man, I can't see it. Enisa, that Albanian singer where would they carry for her that answers time where she don't follow all Nigerians, even the video where give her fame. Now Nigerians begin to go peep as them peep through. Enisa don't follow all Nigerians them. Guess who only person where she they follow? Shatta Wale, that Ghanaian singer. Hi! And Nigeria bet the team everybody. Everybody enter there begin say, as I did so, I did draw my name, come up for your register. They begin on follow. Nigeria say, yeah, as we follow you, we go follow you reach the end. Nigerians then still they on follow more. But then go still follow them back tomorrow, we never know. But as Nigerians they so, they tell themselves, say, we don't wise. Anybody do anyhow, you go see anyhow because now Akpako will go take wipe them. Well, Nisa, they not tell you, say Nigerians will not get joy. And as we did so, we feel fight ourselves, but not try and say you want to enter our middle because you must collect. Alright, now inside the matter, now in the video, and one boy where they call it Fed Olakpo, come they drag yourself. He first be say Fed Olakpo come right to say, say the video uncle come live for Nigeria and say him na Muslim. After they don't give him ticket finish, now in they go church, white and white church, they go praise God there. So which kind 419 scam family and governor then go vote so for Osun State? Say I don't open. Say thank God say he run from PDP enter APC. Say them for do one strong thing. He never talk finish. Now the video jump enter the matter tell and say bros. Now because I not give you money. We know the game now, as we did the game too. As it be so, nothing they come up for our end. If you like, may spell our name from now to tomorrow. We know you are nothing they happen. Now if the like for shout, hey Davido, you want spoil my name, bros? Oh yeah, make us scatter everywhere and I'm gonna rearrange them. You self know. Say the reason why I come up for a PDP why I no tell you now because you be promise and fail. Nobody when you know they scam. You go promise person something you not go yam. So I tell you say that if my phone and my laptop and my money that year, you come promise me say you go do heaven and earth for me. I go come they call you go come they dodge my call. I go come they run follow you go come they put me for his coming. And I make myself come give myself brain now. Come say you know what's the matter. Now I push you one side. Well, we still they wait for the video. He never talk on top the matter, but informs them they're not agree here. Then they drag him Fed Olakpo for PP, then they tell and say, you know say one not be a mate. If you try you will see anyhow. Obio, Alpha. So then talk and say if you grace fine, you grace don't find you no matter where you did. Well, una know that boy for TikTok when they always shout for him fish pie.
Now wow. Fish pie!
Guy don hammer. Yes, so as e dey hustle on top TikTok, na Davido see am say, I like guys like this when they carry their market for head. They no dey leave am for person to help them do. Na Davido tell am say, guy, find me come out because as we dey so, every fish pie when I buy for your hand, I go give you 500k. Well, from wetin we hear, sha o. Davido no come do am as usual as they dey talk am say na promise and faith. I no know that one, sha o. Nigerians no take the matter sit down. TikTok people don gather arrange 700k as we dey so give the guy, and other people too don dey find am something small something to take calm him body down. That one no be all those owner when you get one hotel don tell am say, guy, oh yeah, make you come be our ambassador. Use your face dey move our hotel business to the permanent site. You see, when I talk say Grace one fine person. No be him Pastor Ebedamina come dey drag Pastor Jerry Eze, come dey drag am. In case you no know Pastor Ebedamina, well, na the pastor wey dey for internet dey talk all the things them when you know they like about the Nigerian pastors. They don't drag many pastors. This time na Pastor Jerry Eze, after he doing crusade for UK, now he come out say, Pastor, we don't know your game. This game na the game because we don't do am before, and we know say this thing na RNG. Nothing you go tell me now. As I talk and finish, your people fit come out talk say, say me I dey jealous you. What me I want to jealous you for? What me I want to look your way for? Me and you dey mate? Me and you are mate? I don't take for this God matter. Wetin God no fit do no exist when you dey talk. That word na fake. Make you change because more time we go drag you out like tiger generator. Pastor Jerry still dey pray. He never come out give and reply. But all the people when they go the early morning prayer then where they talk say wetin God no fit do no dey exist, don't come out come dey talk the testimony and the different things wey God dey do for them. Make you leave am for us because we don't see the testimonies wey God dey do, and we don't gree say, God, wetin no fit do no dey exist. Make you carry your fine face, make you carry your busybody, make you carry your overtuno, go see one side and leave our pastor alone. Make you do the work when God send am. If he make money as YouTube talk say they make over 7 billion, even though they say na lie, all na eye they turn onto una, make una leave our pastor alone because when we go face una not go fit bear am. Oh, I laugh so the belly one tear on top this Portable matter. I don't know whether you hear him. Where Portable talk say they almost removing spirit. Say look as the spirit they run living body for Eju Shaga. Say he almost die with the beating the one he collect for that place. On top of the gist, when he talk say he go perform for Eju Shaga. Say upon say he don't pay money to all the courts within the area. He don't pay money to the Egba Adugbo them where they the area. He don't give everybody what they ask him. They still get mind to come attack him. They're collecting earring. They're collecting gold. They're collecting things for him body. Then beat am like say they want kill him. Say himself not hungry, himself come beat some people too. As he come be so Portable. Face come shook, and all the people were for long too. Eyes come dey red. Now he come shout say I no go gree. This matter no go end here. Say it go be like season film because it's a comeback something. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you people that I am Portable and nobody can play with me. Alright, now there on our big mommy go pause for this week as it be so. I hope so I don't give her all the G's. I don't bring all the Tori them waiting for entertainment for last week. But if I not bring the one where you really know, make you put up a comment section so that next week I go give myself brain and I go try to run around, get all the entertainment story way make sense so that all of us go jollificate together. Until I come your way again, remember say our TV now here we they give una the first gist them when nobody they give una. Make una not move, make una hold body tight because as we dey, nothing they power.